Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera English Medium School, Amreli. Today we are going to learn the places of interest and industries of subject is General Knowledge Standard 5th. So first one is places of interest. Here India is the world's 7th largest country, we all know. From the high mountains of the Himalayas to the tropical greenery of Kerala and from the sacred Gangas of the sands of Thar desert. Its more than 1 billion inhabitants are divided into 2000 ethnic groups and speak over 200 different languages. Confirm its size and population, India has an almost endless variety of cultures, landscape, monuments and places to explore. From the ancient ruins, the structure, exotic cities and diverse landscape, there is an endless collection of tourist attractions in India that will never cease to await the visitor. We all know in our India the most of famous place is Taj Mahal. Everyone wants to visit the Taj Mahal, but like that in India there is some other places of interest which is from different states. Today we are going to learn the different places of interest which is located in different states and which is famous for some any points. In that we are going to learn that our new lesson places of interest. In that first one is Nehru Zoological Park. It's a park that it's located in Andhra Pradesh. Nehru Zoological Park is located in Andhra Pradesh. Then second one, Tawang Gompa is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Then after Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. In standard third, I think you have to learn that different national park and sanctuaries. So here we are repeated it that Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. Then after Ashoka Pillar and Stupa. Ashoka Pillar and Stupa is located in Bihar. Then after Gandhi Ashram. Gandhi Ashram is located in Gujarat. We all know. I think all of you visited because it is in our Gujarat that Gandhi Ashram. There is we can say that the things that used by Mahatma Gandhi that is located here and everything like we all know कि गांधी जी जो भी चीज़ है वो यूज़ करते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल खादी के क्लोथ्स वो पहनते थे तो वो अपने हाथ से बनाते थे. वो सभी चीज़ें वो उधर रखी गई है. वन टाइप ऑफ म्यूजियम. नेक्स्ट वन इज लिटिल तिब्बत. लिटिल तिब्बत is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Then after Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves is located in Maharashtra. There is lots of caves. Then Kaibul Lamjo. Kaibul Lamjo is located in Manipur. Then after City of Golden Temple. City of Golden Temple is located in Punjab. In which city? In Amritsar. So in this chapter we have to learn 1 to 9 places, different places of interest. It means it creates some different information. Next one, industries. Industries. So first of all, we know what is industry. That industry is, it produce anything. It means for a special, for example, in our Gujarat, Gujarat is famous for textile industry that produce any products that which we can use, or anyone can, it is used. So any states, every state is famous for different industry. We know that every states produce anything that like we things which is we used in food, things which is we used in our daily routine life. So small or big industry, there is lots of small and big industries in India or in any state. So here today we are going to learn the famous industry, which industry is famous in the particular state. First one, Jamshedpur. Iron and steel industry. The iron and steel industry is famous in Jamshedpur, which is located in Jharkhand. That in Jharkhand, the iron and steel, there is lots of iron and steel industries, and it is famous for that industries. Next one, Surat, cotton industry. We all know Surat is famous for cotton industry, and Surat is located in Gujarat. Then after, craft industries, Nasik, which is located in Maharashtra. Nasik is famous for aircraft industry. First of all, I think everyone know what is aircraft. The aviation in India broadly divided into military and civil aviation. This is fastest growing aviation market in the world according to the International Air Transport Association. The hub of the nation's aviation manufacture industry is described in different areas. That the government is driving the growth of civil aviation and aviation infrastructure in India. Fourth one is shipbuilding industry. Shipbuilding industry. How do they make a ship? That is located in Kochi. Kochi is at Kerala. The shipbuilding industry is famous in Kochi. Then next one is cement industry. Kaimur in Madhya Pradesh. Kaimur is famous for the cement industry. Then after, fertilizer plants. We all know fertilizer is used in agriculture sector. So for agriculture sector, fertilizer is a important part for plants. So fertilizer plants is located in Sindri. Sindri is located in Bihar. Then after, MiG aircraft factories is famous in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is located in Arunachal Pradesh. The MiG aircraft factories means the fighter planes. MiG aircraft factory include fighter planes. We all know, you or everyone know the fighter planes कि जब एक देश या तो एक कंट्री, वन कंट्री है, वो दूसरी कंट्री के साथ अगर फाइटिंग करती है तो वो लोग जो फाइटर प्लेन है वो यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, Oil refinery. Oil refinery is mainly famous in Bihar. Then refining. Resin refining Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh. First of all, we all know that what is resin. The largest manufacturer, supplier and exporter of that phenolic resin. That there is different types of resin. It is a one type of gum. That it locals as well as international industry places order on consist basis of that resins. It is a solid or highly viscous substance of plant or synthetic origin that is typically convertible into polymers. They are often mixture of organic compounds or principally terpenes. Many plants, particularly woody plants, produce resin in response to injure. It acts as a protecting the plants from invading insects. For example, we all know in a neem tree, we can see sometimes some resins. So resins is one type of gum. Then last one is locomotive industry. Locomotive industry means the industry of making a engine of train. Locomotive industry means making a engine of trains. In a West Bengal, Chittaranjan, this place is famous for locomotive industry. It is the largest locomotive in West Bengal. Chittaranjan is the largest locomotive production unit in the world with the record of 431 locomotives produced in the year 2019-20. Almost the electric locomotive running on Indian railways are manufactured at there. And the year we completed our two topics, that is places of interest and industries. I hope you all are understand it very well. So here we are conclude and have good. Thank you everyone and have a good day.